it's time to wake up. Put offenses aside. Humble, drink that cup. That's where the journey starts. Stand up in the truth. Be sure of who you are. Let the healing come. Welcome it with open arms. Let it wash over you. Faith rise inside right now. Abide in His hope. Set differences aside. Walk up the steep slope. Put in the work it takes. Stand up in the truth. Be sure of who you are. Let the healing come. Welcome it with open arms. Let it wash over you. Faith rise inside right now. Make way